In this video, we will be reviewing the maintenance steps for our HE series condensing units. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Remove the screws securing the top and front panels, then remove the panels from the unit to gain access to the internal components. Check for damage or evidence of leaks on the coil. Check for fin damage and evidence of fouling on the coil. Clean and restore to ensure acceptable condition. Check all electrical connections for integrity. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Check motor components for pitting or other signs of damage. Reinstall the front and top panels using the previously removed screws. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the fan is running. Remove the electrical cover. Check voltage and amperage of the equipment. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. Check refrigerant system pressures using a manifold gauge. Remove caps from service valves and connect gauges. Verify pressures are being read by manifold gauge. Measure superheat and subcooling temperatures. If using a clamp sensor, use foam or equivalent material to ensure proper contact on liquid line. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. If necessary, adjust the TXV and refrigerant charge to achieve optimal operating levels. Check sight glass and verify no bubbles are present. Verify moisture indicator is displaying dry color. For more information and access to the checklist, click the links in the description box below.